Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about very important, that is the last topic of the electromagnetic theory from advanced part of your CSIR syllabus. Maybe 50 videos I uploaded, more than 50 classes I took in electromagnetic theory. Maybe this is the 53rd class with core and advanced part. Once you check and if you understandable really my teaching style, you ready to take the coaching in our institute, please share and like and subscribe our YouTube channel and inform to your friends who are there in the physics fraternity. Clear? So now you have to see here what we are going to take. So what is our ultimate goal once we have to see. This is the last topic of the advanced electromagnetic theory from the CSIR syllabus. The topic is which topic is, that is radiation from a point charges or electric dipoles or magnetic dipoles or retard potential. From that I have to consider. In CSIR June 2018 there was a question. In CSIR June 2018 there was a question. Once you have to see, in the region of far from the source, in the region far from the source, the region far from the source means when r is equal to infinite you have to consider. In the region far from the source, r is equal to infinite, that source belongs to the radiation. The time dependent electric field, so the time dependent electric field E of r comma theta comma phi, E of r comma theta comma phi is equal to, under the spherical polar coordinate system, that is phi cap into E0 omega square, E0 omega square sin theta is divided by r, sin theta is divided by r into cos of, which one they are giving, omega of t minus r by c, that is the retarded time they are giving this. This is the electric field for the radiation they are giving, where omega is the angular frequency of the source. What they are asking, the total power radiated, so is given by how much they are asking, the total power radiated they are going to ask. So how we have to calculate the total power radiated based on the electric field, once we have to see. How we have to solve? The first you are able to calculate the electric field, already we know that electric field E is equal to, first I am writing in the solution, once you have to take phi cap into the electric field. So phi cap into how much they are giving, so E naught omega square, E naught omega square, E naught omega square into sin theta is divided by r into cos of omega of t minus r by c. This is your electric field that is going to take, that is the electric field phi cap you have to write it. Now we know that if you know the electric field, we are able to calculate the magnetic field, that is magnetic field is equal to E by c. Therefore the pointing vector, the modulus of the pointing vector is equal to, so E dot E cross B, that is E into B is divided by mu naught. So therefore B is equal to, you have to substitute E square is divided by mu naught into C, you are going to get it. So therefore S is equal to E, you know that, you substitute there, how much you are getting, that one, E naught square omega square is divided by mu naught into C, sin theta is divided by r, sin square theta is divided by r square into cos square of omega of t minus r by c, cos square of omega of t minus r by c, this is the S value. But the average S, the average S is equal to how much, the expectation value of intensity of a Poynting vector. So, that is the intensity is equal to average of the Poynting vector is equal to, so 1 by 2 into E naught square omega square is divided by mu naught c into sin square theta by r square. Here you able to calculate. So, the average of cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2 you are going to get it. Now, we need to calculate the power radiated. How we have to calculate a total power radiated? The total power radiated is equal to the average Poynting vector or intensity into dA we have to write it is. Therefore, you have to substitute here. This is a surface integral you able to consider. The surface integral, it is a spherical polar coordinates 0 to 5 and 0 to 25, 0 to 5 and 0 to 25. Your r is going to take it is 1 by 2 into E naught square omega square is divided by mu naught into c. Sin square theta is divided by r square into your dA is equal to r square sin theta d theta d phi. This is the dA value. This r square get cancelled. Therefore, how much you have to get? Integral d phi is equal to 2 phi you have to get it. So, 2 phi integral sin cube theta d theta is equal to 4 by 3 you are going to get into 1 by 2 into, this is the constant value, E naught square omega square into mu naught into c. Now, you cancel it, 2 1 ja 2 1 ja cancel. Therefore, how much we are getting? 4 5 by 3 into 4 5 by 3 into, so mu naught omega square. So, which one we have to write here? E square means omega to the power of 4. Here omega to the power of 4. Here also omega to the power of 4. Omega to the power of 4. Correct. So, E naught square is omega to the power of 4 is divided by omega to the power of 4 is divided by mu naught into c. This is your answer. Total power radiated you are going to get. Now, you have to see the answer. So, what is your answer? Once you have to take 4 5 by 3, option B is correct. 4 5 by 3 mu naught E naught square omega to the power of 4 is divided by mu naught c. Like this we have to do in our competitive examination. Already I am telling, we started the CSIR and GATE physics online coaching we started. We are offering the JL and DL physics content also. Once you go to your Android mobile phone and download our app, that our app is Quantum Online Academy app. From that app you take the courses and you purchase it. This is very very worthy to you. So, here CSIR and GATE physics course will appear like this. Not only CSIR and GATE physics, JL physics and DL physics content also is there. Individual papers also available. Till now, mathematical methods of physics and classical mechanics and electromagnetic theory, all syllabus is available on our app. Clear? So, these 3 papers are available from Monday onwards. Maybe the 16th of June onwards we are going to start with the quantum mechanics, that is live plus recorded classes. So, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and you have to inform to your friends to make them as a subscribers of this YouTube channel. Clear? Thank you so much.